How to add wiggle animation in Wix Studio. So in order to particularly add a wiggle animation, what we can do is we can head over and then choose in here which element we want to add it with. You can add it into your image, text, as well as button. So in here, I'll head over and add it into this image. So click on the image and click on this Open Inspector. So do take note that the wiggle animation is typically found onto the hover, as well as loop, and also into the mouse effects. So you can just choose wherein you want to add it. For this case, I'll choose in here the hover, and then you can just scroll down and then look for it. Here we have the wiggle animation. Click on it right here, and then you can click onto this adjust animation in order to see the preview for that. You can also adjust its intensity, duration, as well as the repeat delay options. So that's how you actually add wiggle animation in Wix Studio. Hope you helped.